Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today, once again, we're taking a look at Orion Protocol just because we have been pumping and we met our target from yesterday's video. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, jumping into the 4 hourly chart, I usually start with the weekly chart, but now I do want to start with the 4 hourly because I did notice a bearish divergence on the 4 hourly chart. So a bearish divergence is when the price action makes a higher high, but the RSI makes a lower high. Now, this is an indicator of an upcoming downtrend or an upcoming correction or an upcoming corrective wave. So hopefully we have started coming back down. This is the 4 hourly chart. I did give you a target of $11.50. We met our target and then some. We topped out at $11.60. So pretty much from the start of this impulsive wave over here, right at $6.60, we did have an impulsive wave towards the upside. We topped out over here. Actually, I think I would need to drag this up a bit. There we go. And now we have come back to the 0.618, which is the golden ratio. So on the 4 hourly chart, we still need to bounce off the 20 EMA, in my opinion, uh, to find that key level of support, because the 618 obviously is the golden ratio. It is the most important Fibonacci level. And yeah, this is a nice entry price over here, and $9.70 basically. I think I gave you that buy-in order yesterday. I think I gave you this support level. So failing this, I did also warn you that failing to hold this level as support, we may come back down to the 0.5 on the fib, or we may bounce off the 20 EMA. And failing all of this, failing all these support levels, we can end up coming back down to the 55 EMA. And the 382 on the fib would also have to be lost as support. But I don't think that we're dropping back down to the 55 EMA unless Bitcoin decides to shit the bed. So yeah, we do have this bearish divergence on the 4 hourly chart, and the larger the time frame, the more significant the divergence is. For example, if this were to be the 15-minute time frame and we had this bearish divergence, it could have played out, in an hour or so, and we could have just had um, a little impulsive wave to the downside, bounce off a quick level of support, and then just start coming back up. But this is the 4 hourly chart. This is one of the more important time frames, one of the more larger time frames. So, this has more significance, and over time, we will probably come back down to the zero point 0.5, which is sitting at $9.10. This would honestly be the best thing to do, because that would mean that we have also held the 20 EMA as support. We can just switch to the 0.5 on the fib and just hold the 20 EMA as support. That's all good. That's great. Let's jump into the 1 hourly chart. So yesterday I did give you this bull pennant that I spotted in the video. I didn't even prepare it for the video. I just spotted it in the video, and I gave you a target of $11.50 pretty much. And we have topped out over here at $11.60, just right about there. Actually, the line, there we go. So that would be our next resistance level. That would be a level that we need to break. But right now on the hourly chart, as you can see, we're hugging the 55 EMA as support, which is incredible. Keep an eye on this 20 weekly EMA. That is an important level to keep an eye on, because we have broken it as resistance and a retest is yet to come. So potentially we may come and retest this level for uptrend confirmation. That would be bullish. That would be great. A lot of people would think, if we were to do something like this, oh no, we're coming back down, bear market. But what we're doing is just we're confirming the uptrend by holding this 20 weekly EMA as support and then starting the move towards the upside from there. Basically refueling. I call this refueling for the next impulsive wave, and that would be completely normal. Also, the 200 EMA is over here. The purple line over here is the 200 EMA, and that would act as a nice support level as well. So this is a very important level. Keep an eye on this level, $7.91 or 90 cents or 92 cents, somewhere around that price range. So keep that in mind. We'll see if we start forming some sort of a pattern over here, but the bulls are running out of steam. I did warn you guys that we may potentially start coming back down. So on the 1 hourly chart, yep, we're coming back down, and potentially, as you can see, as soon as we come back down to this level or even below this trend line, we usually start another move towards the upside. But we'll see. We'll see. Earlier, let's see if we have lost the. When have we bounced off the 55 previously? Yeah. So we have this EMA retest over here, and this was August 9th, and we had this EMA retest where the 20 EMA bounces off the 55 EMA, and this just sends the price parabolic. So potentially what's coming is an I do apologize, is the 20 weekly EMA retest. So have some buy orders over here. I don't want to drag this video on for too long because I did make a video yesterday about this, and I just want to make sure you guys are up to date with everything. Also, if I turn on the 100 EMA, we do have this support level over here at $8.83. That is exactly where the 100 EMA is. So keep an eye on this level as well. That is an important level. We can end up bouncing off of it. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I generally do think that we're gonna start coming back down because we got too overextended. If we go to the daily chart, guys, if we do remove all the drawings, we go to the daily chart, you can see how far away we are from the 20 EMA. And, you know, it generally it is good. Obviously, it is good to be above the EMAs as always. That is called an uptrend, but we don't want to get too overextended. We don't want to be too far away from the 20 EMA. Potentially, what could happen is we land on the 200 EMA on the daily. That is $7.38, but that would mean that we're coming back below the 20 weekly EMA. So potentially, we just want to hold the 20 weekly EMA as support, and that would be incredible. As you can see on the weekly chart, we are above the 20 EMA, and this is so good. This is what I've been talking about. This was the major resistance level that we had to break. And now what's coming, I don't know. We may retest it as support, or we may just start melting faces from here. So yeah, we did get listed on Coinbase, I believe, today. So that was one of the reasons for the pump. But as you can see, fourth bullish week in a row. It's incredible. Here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 months of bullishness, man. So this may be just the start of this. So here we did appreciate just an experiment over here, guys. We did appreciate over here 1,497%. So pretty much 1,500%. Let's see what a 1,500% would be from here to here. Okay, actually that does exceed our viewing. Okay. 1,000. Let's just get it. There we go. And let's place a trend line over there, or a marker, whatever. Okay. Okay, let's now remove this. Actually, this is interesting. This is quite interesting because this is where the fib level, the second fib level is. So this is pretty much our target that we're targeting on the channel, $56. This is what we always do on the fib. But this is starting from this top to the bottom. Usually what I do is I take the fib and I start from the start of the bottom over here where the impulsive wave started. I pull it up. Okay, just like that. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. To be honest with you, yeah, it really is pretty much the same. So this around $60 over here is our price target. So yeah, Orion is bullish, guys, and obviously we do have these overextensions over here at 272, at 414, and 618. So potentially we're looking at a $76 um, Orion token. But yeah, everything's good, guys. Just don't sell these red candles. You have to be buying them, and you have to be selling green candles. And pro tip of the day, do use the EMAs instead of the moving averages. The MAs, or the moving averages, are lagging indicators, just like the MACD. That doesn't mean that they're not helpful. It means that they don't have as much value as the EMA does, the exponential moving average. It has a lot more real-time weight, so it is a lot better to use. And that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to help you understand the charts and help you make smart decisions, hopefully, in the market. Let me know if you have made any trades that I gave you yesterday, because, that $11.50 price prediction played out to a T pretty much. So I'm really proud of myself for that. I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but yeah, we do have some technical issues over here. The Binance website doesn't want to load, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know what you think of the charts. Let me know what you think of Orion. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.